Alright, we are at Otter Cliffs in Acadia National Park. Some section of it is used by technical climbers. They do some climbing lessons. We saw some climbers over there on the other side. This is a neat little section. It's a place where the water runs in down there. There's Jared peeking over.
Whoa.
There's a squirrel out here. Don't do it!
Hey, buddy.
You're like really high up. I don't know what he's going for. He just wanted to see the view. Hi.
Hey,
Please
buddy.
don't do that. I don't want to be alarmed this close to the edge.
We don't have anything for you, buddy. I'm sorry.
The climbers are down there, actually. You can see them. So we were just over there earlier on that cliff. You can see there's a guy over there. That was my finger. Anyway, it's a really pretty area. So the ocean path, you can walk over to this, or there's parking kind of nearby. So we're just on this kind of rock that's right all along the coast. And you feel like you can just walk right out to the ocean, but this has a big drop off. Just walk over here.
Birds out there again.
We can see, yeah, you're not going to see that on this camera, I don't think. There's a little, we're not sure what it is. Black and white like a lot of the other birds around here.
God, you see birds.
It's got red feet. Oh, that's my finger again. Here's the climbers down there. I'm not really sure how they got down there, because we were standing up top where that wall is. It's pretty far down there.
There's a climbing rope underneath that rock.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
So there are some places where you can anchor on to climb. Storm's coming in behind us. Alright, another fun day in Maine.